Okay, welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in few minutes, just 2 minutes, I'm going to be introducing you to DTW tutorials, online Jamb tutorials for Jamb 2024. Okay, it's going to be intensive. I'm managing this myself. All right, we have 4 hours Monday to Friday. All right, we're going to be meeting on Zoom. Okay, Zoom meet, and so anywhere in the country, anywhere you are in the country, all right, online, there's a WhatsApp group where we're going to be communicating, and Zoom for both your science, art, and commercial. All right, and you can see we're going to complete the Jamb syllabus. We're starting on the 13th of this month, so please register today, okay? Because when we start, it's on completion of the Jamb syllabus. And for my students, by God's grace, if you are consistent with me, we are going to try to finish the syllabus within 3 months, 2 months tops. And we are going to now go back again and start doing Jamb practice on every topic on the syllabus that we have treated and touched. So there's going to be weekly assessment. It's going to be intensive, and be ready to study once you are on this train. Okay, that's DTW tutorials, online tutorial for Jamb 2024. So it is 3,000 naira per month. All right, so you can make details. I will drop all the details in the video description box of this video. You can join our WhatsApp group. When you join that main general WhatsApp group, then you will get information, and once you pay, you'll be transferred to the tutorials WhatsApp group. Okay, and from there you have information where you meet on Google, your assignment and all that. And we are employing seasoned tutors, seasoned teachers, expert teachers on each expert subject, covering your arts, commercial, and science. So please, I do join this. That's all I would just say. Just do join it, because it's going to be intensive and it's going to bless your life. All right. There's going to be several things that you're going to achieve, several value added that you're not even going to pay for. That's even more than 3,000 naira. So do join the DTW tutorials, online Jamb tutorials for Jamb 2024. All right. Take care and see you in our next video. And don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, and you are destined to win. Destined to win in the forthcoming Jamb 2024 exam, and also in life, okay? Because after academics, there's reality of life. All right. So in life, you are destined to win in Jesus' name. And your academics, if you're having problems studying right now, I pray for soundness in memory upon you, understanding. I pray for the Lord to open your brain, your mind of understanding, to begin to understand whatever you read, to kickstart your study, to give you the zeal to start reading now in Jesus' name. All right. I will see you in the group. Okay. And take care.